This is the Dewy Vittorie white condiment. I bought this as a white balsamic vinegar to create an at-home recipe for the white balsamic vinaigrette that I absolutely love having on all of my salads. This has a very nice light appearance, as I'm sure you can kind of see. And it does have the best by date right here on the cork, so it's very nice that it doesn't go anywhere. And this is a white balsamic vinegar made with white vinegar and balsamic vinegar from Modena. And so this is a low acidity, and it states that it's sweet and velvety. It's a very wonderful tasting white balsamic vinegar. All in all, this white balsamic vinegar is delicious. It's got white concentrated grape must, which if you're looking for a good balsamic vinegar, that is the prime ingredient that you're going to want to look for. It is a very sweet and velvety, as it describes, wonderful tasting white balsamic vinegar.